Who's got next? This is a 1970 Gottlieb two-player snow derby pinball machine. It's in phenomenal shape. The case has been restored, but the rest retains a wonderful patina. It all works. Hey, let's go play a game. This is available on Bring a Trailer at no reserve. The winning bidder will take it home. We have known ownership since the late 70s, and our client acquired it in 2004. It comes with 2 extra balls, installation and instruction manuals, schematics, and a host of other documentation. This is a great pinball machine. Who's got next?